Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great and welcome back to yet another JavaScript coding challenge session. Today we are going to explore one more interesting JavaScript challenge, which is how to add two corresponding array elements from two different arrays actually, which is of having same length or which can be like a different length as well. So we can use for loop for this or else we can use map method as well. Okay, so basically, interviewer don't allow us to using any map or reduce those kind of things. So we can go with the for loop only. Okay, so for that, let me create a function get some, and I will accept two parameters here. Okay, array one, array two. Let me call this function const sum equal to get sum of array one, array two. Okay. So basically before start, we need to consider what is the largest array in the given arrays. Okay, I will tell you why we need to get that largest array. Okay, so first let me get the length. Okay, largest length const length equal to I am using math module here in under max here array one dot length array two dot length. Okay, once I have this length I will loop through this length. Okay, let I equal to 0, I less than length, I plus plus. Okay, okay. If I randomly iterate through one of the arrays, if iterated array is having less length than the other array, then we are not appending then we are not adding it correctly. Okay, so if you take this example array 2 and array 3, so it would work until first three elements, but it won't work for 7 and 8. Okay, that is like last two elements. Okay, if you consider, if you iterate this array 2, so to avoid that we have to get the largest array. Okay, so once I have this, let me create a new array. Okay, called result array. Let me initialize to empty array, result array dot push. Here I can add like array 1 of 1, sorry, array 1 of I plus array 2 of I, return result array. And now let me console the resultant value. Okay, so basically here we have some problem. Okay, I will explain you, I will tell you what it is in some time. So let me run this first. Okay, node script.js. Okay, so for the first part, that is, if the length is equal, if the length of two arrays are equal, then we are getting it expected. Okay, if you see 1 plus 5 6, 2 plus 6 8, 3 plus 7 10, so you can see this result. Okay, but what if the length of two arrays are different? Let's say I will pass, instead of array 2 I will pass array 3. You can see we are getting nan has the last two numbers. So that is because even though I am iterating over the largest array, that means this array 3, uh, so this index value is 3. Okay, okay, this seventh index value is 3 because like arrays has 0 indexes, right? So 3. So if you try to get array of third index for the first array, it would be undefined. Okay, and whenever we are adding undefined with some actual value, in this case it's undefined plus 7, it would be not a number. Okay, so to avoid that, we need to get what is the largest array and what is the smallest array. Okay, so let me find it out. Okay, const smallest array is equal to, let me compare over the length. Okay, array1 dot length. So if array1 is greater, then our smallest array is array2, right? So array2, else it's array1. Okay, similarly I have to find our smallest array, sorry, largest array as well. So here in this case, if array1 is smaller, then our largest element is array2. So let me, and now let me replace this array1 with array these two values. Okay, so smallest array of I, largest array of I. So from here we can know smallest array has less number of elements. Okay, so in that case we will get undefined in this case, right? So we can we can replace undefined with 0. Okay, by conditionally. So how we can do that is, like, I will check for this element. If this is truthy, that means it has like actual value. Okay, in that case I will have this smallest array of I only. Other than that, I will replace that undefined with 0. Okay, so with this it should work. Let's try. It's something issue. Okay, we have to add brackets here. Okay, see, you can see array 1 and 3, right? We are sending, so you can add it like 1 plus 4 5, 2 plus 5 7, 3 plus 6 9, and we are replacing these undefined values in the first array with zeros, and 0 plus 7 7, 0 plus 8 8. Okay, so it's working now. Okay, so similarly you can give it a try with the map method as well. So I hope this solution makes sense to you. If you have any questions, you can ask through comment section. Okay, thank you for watching. We'll meet you in new video.